Hello everybody, this is Kyle of Church on a Budget PH, and in this video I am going to show you how to make rhythm charts for your church. I prefer this over chord charts because of the rhythm aspect to it, meaning my timing siya. If you're a musician, this will be very beneficial for you so that you can learn the song once and just review it over and over again. If you're interested in becoming efficient and effective on your chord charts and song playing, then check this video out. If you are new to this channel, then please go ahead and lay your hands on the subscribe button so that you won't miss any video that I'll be posting soon. And if this video is helpful sa inyo, then please click that like button below. There, flashing your screen is what it looks like. I have some sample songs here. First one is Bless the Lord by New Life. Yan. And then I also have Take You at Your Word by Cody Carnes. And I think I have here, okay, Washed by Elevation Rhythm. So these are our songs na kinanta namin just lately sa church, and I wanted to learn them once and then that's it. Review na lang kami. And of course, isi-share natin to sa team natin so that we have the same chords and timings and version as well. Okay, sa pag-play natin sa rehearsals and sa services. So let's take this song by Elevation Rhythm called Wash, okay, as our example lang to study. So, ang song sections natin, which is yung chorus, intro, verse 1, verse 2, is etong naka-red na naka-box, okay? So that mas madali siyang tignan. And then, all of the details like chords, yung anong mangyayari sa song, are all in color black. Okay, so it starts with chorus, na vox and claps. So that means, I've been washed in water, washed in the blood, I was good as new. Oh, hallelujah. And then at the end, meron siyang repeat sign, tapos may 2x, meaning babalik ka sa start ng chorus. Wash in the water, wash in the blood, as good as new. Oh, hallelujah. And then chorus. Dan, 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 dan. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and then you go to the verse. 3, 4, 5, 6. And for me, ang importante dito are rhythms like this one. Yun. So, ang timing niya is 1, 2, 3, 4, end. Kasi kung sa chord charts lang, wala yan eh. So, sa chord charts na regular, lalagay mo lang sa taas ng words, which can be confusing sometimes. So, as a musician, it's important to me na merong details yung chords ko. So count natin tong verse 1 and 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yun. So, it's there. Yung mga timings. Sa pag-chorus, 1, 2, 3, I've been 1, 4, 6, 5, 3, 4, 1, 4, 6, 5. So, it has more details to it. Okay. I just need a glance sa chord na to. I just need a glance sa rhythm chart na to, and I know what to do. So, let's do a song sample. It's called Himaya by New Heights. It's a Bisaya song. This is a very good song. We've been singing this in church. So shout out to the New Heights band worship team. You guys are doing great. Keep writing more beautiful songs. So let's go and make a rhythm chart for Himaya by New Heights. So let's write the title first. Very important. Himaya by New Heights. Yan. So, we have an intro. We know that. The song starts with intro. So, ilagay natin dito. And then, I'm just gonna write as the song goes. And then, just follow me. I-explain ko after I write the sections. Okay, so we know now na 4 bar siya. So and then may breaks dito or hits dito. That's a fourth bar and then it just repeats. So alam ko na meron akong repeat dito. So lalagay ko na lang dito, repeat 2x. Yan. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the rhythm of that. So rhythm. So and then I'm gonna write the chord. So yung first 3 bars puro 1 lang yun. Tan dan dan dan. Tan dan dan dan. Tan dan dan dan. And then tan dan 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 dan. Tan dan 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 dan. So yung rhythm niya is dan 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 dan. So in notation I can see it as this. Da 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 3 4 1 E and to E and 3 4. So it's 1 E and 2 E and 3 4. So that's how it goes. 1 E and 2 E and 3 4. So that's why ganito. This is 1 E and 2 E and 3 4. Oh, 4. So yung notes neto here, I'm gonna put above the rhythm. So alam kong dito is flat 7, 6, 5, and then 4, 5. Da 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 da. And then balik sa 1. Okay. Now, i-change color ko na lang to just so that may guide yung other musicians natin na ang count nito is 1 E and 2 E and 3 4. So change color na natin to green. Okay, guide lang naman yan. And then now let's go to the verse. So yung verse 1 niya is puro 1. One chord. So it's just 1. So 8 bars in total. So lalagay na lang ako dito ng repeat tong 4 bars na to. So that's it. All 1. And then pre-chorus tayo. Let's move on to pre-chorus. Yung pre-chorus meron siyang movement. So let's see. That's a 6, 3, 5, 6, 4, 1 over 3 to. 5, 1, 2. Up. Now, take note of that. Pre-chorus is my 6, 4, 1 over 3, and then 5. And then repeat. 6, 4, 1 over 3, and then 5. And then it has an extra bar. So, lalagay ako dito ng extra bar. Tapos 5 chord. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Up. Kunin natin yung break. Kung saan yung break sa extra bar. One, 2, 3. Okay. Now, there's a break at 3. So, lalagay ko yan dito sa extra bar. 1, 2, and then I'm just gonna say break at. count 3. Yan. So, break at count 3. Yan. So, meron akong note dyan and then chorus tayo. Let's see. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 1/3, 5, and then verse. Okay. Pre-chorus. And we're gonna go to chorus. Okay, 2 times. Okay. Okay, balik sa intro. Okay. So for the sake of the video, hindi natin tatapusin yung song kasi medyo mahaba yung song. But I'm gonna demonstrate to you now how this looks like when I actually play it with my guitar. So number system ginagamit namin dito to write because we have different singers. So may male, may female. So the keys may be different. So as I would repeatedly say in this channel, learn the number system. It will serve you well. Yung start lang yung mahirap nun, but in the long run, it will really benefit you and your team. Kasi whatever key you want, pwede niyong ma-play sa church ninyo. So I'm gonna demonstrate this to you. Etong rhythm chart na ginawa natin together so that makita niyo yung power nito kung gaano siya ka dali at bilis. Let's go. I'm playing it in the key of G. Okay. So, intro. 1, 2, 3, go. Da, 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 da. 2, 3. Bagsakan. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Repeat. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Pre-chorus and 6. Da, da, na, na, na. Amahan ko kaluwasan ana. Repeat. And na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Sa tanang break at 3. 1, 2, break. Imaya. Kalay doon ang pagkaandun mo, Jesus. Imaya. May gumaon matino danon ka. Balik sa verse. Inong ino na 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 na. Na 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 na. Repeat. Na 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 na. Okay, pre-chorus. 2, 3, and na 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 na. Amahan ko kaluwasan ana kanimo. Na 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 na. Sa pagdawa sa tanan. Ready, break. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Himaya. Nalaygo ng pagkaon mo, Jesus. Himaya. Maigang maon ang matino danon ka. Repeat chorus. Himaya. Na 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 na. Himaya. Na 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 na. Intro. 2, 3, bagsakan. Na 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 na. Repeat. 2, 3, bagsakan, and there you go. Now, in just one glance, nakuha na natin yung, actually, ito, half na to ng song. Or I think 3/4 na to ng song in just one glance. So for our church, this is what we're gonna do and share sa mga members namin na may chord charts. And by the way, even your drummers will be happy dito kasi lahat ng bars nandyan na, lahat ng bagsakan nandyan na. So he just knows he can just write his own notes there. Pwede lang niyang lagyan kung saan yung mga fills niya, saan yung mga beats niya na importante on top of the chord charts that you have already made for the team. If this video has helped you in some way, again, please click that like button and lay your hands on the subscribe button so that you won't miss any video that I'll be posting soon. This is Kyle of Church on a Budget PH that aims to help churches become efficient and effective. See you guys in the next video. Peace.